We're going to do a quick video on gold price prediction. We've got a daily chart here for the gold futures contract from the Comments Exchange. Symbols GC. It's a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. You can't see it on here, but gold is up today. $1,659 is the high, $1,621 is the low. It's up $22 at about 3 o'clock on Friday afternoon, October 21st. Let's take a quick look at gold. It came down like we had discussed, challenged this previous September 28th low of 1622. Got down as low today as 1621. It actually broke through it and turned right around and rallied up. So it really is, it's hard to say if the bear market in gold is going to be over, because it did violate that low, and it might just be some short covering, but it did make a new low today at 1621 and promptly turned around and rallied 21, 22 bucks, whatever that is, from 1621 to 16, so almost 40 bucks. So put in a great rally from bottom to top of almost $40 today. But it's hard to say again if that's going to be enough to get it out of this bear market. If you look at my cursor, that's about where it is right now today, the 3 o'clock hour of 10/21 for October. So let's take a look real quick and see what's going on with gold from a longer term perspective. The 20-day moving average is right here, 1675. It's still below that. It's above the 5-day moving average, which is right about 1650. So it's in between those two. Still, even though it's a tremendous $40 move from top to bottom today, or bottom to top, it's still not technically, from a technical analysis perspective, that big of a deal as far as the outlook of gold in the future. We're looking to try to get gold back up here to 725 on a technical basis. Above this 737 is there resistance up at the top. So even if it came to 1700, that's not a huge, it's obviously a very profitable move, but not a huge deal in terms of getting gold out of this bear market. In order to do that, we need to get up here 1775 to even have a shot at penetrating the 200-day moving average. So longer term, gold still in a bear market. Short term, it put in a $40 rally roughly from bottom to top today, which is great. It did make a new low today for its bear market cycle, and you can't kind of ignore that. But that's where we are for gold on a daily chart. Let's take a look on a weekly chart and see what's going on. You can see on the weekly chart, gold is a very, very big mess. It's below the 200-week moving average. It's this top right here, this weekly top, is 1674. It's got to get above that next week to continue this rally. Of course, it can fall back down here to, it could come significantly back down to 1640, maybe even 1635. But if it can't hold 1635, then gold's probably going to go lower, and probably as soon as next week, maybe the week after that. But we're getting a decent rally. I don't want to sound negative, but it still is in a bear market, so I don't want to get carried away. Let's take a look real quick and see what RBAM research says about gold on an algorithmic trading basis for today. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m. And let's take a look at gold. The symbol's GC. We've got it right here. For the 21st of October, we have buys across the board: 1-day, 2-day, 5-day, 10-day, and 20 trading day holds. And all of these, except for the 1-day hold, have been hit and are live and are profitable. Of course, entertainment purposes only, hypothetical only. But all of these would have been hit today. And the market is now, as we speak, trading at 1659. So they're all showing a hypothetical profit. These are higher down here, higher win percentages, and only the 1659 has been hit. But you would have stuck with these if it was me doing this. I would have stuck with these. We put these on here just for extreme conditions. Most of the time, these will not be hit. But these have all been hit except for the 1 day. So these come out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You can get them all for free at rbamresearch.com. In addition to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and in addition to the gold futures I just showed you, we put out the S&P 500, crude oil, and treasury bonds. They're all available by following the link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. Sign up for free, no credit card required, and you get immediate access to these prices before 7 a.m. If you come by the night before, after 6 p.m., you can usually get most of them. We usually update them the night before. And again, everything's for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment. You have to do your own analysis. Everything but everything, including my commentary and entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You should always, obviously, you definitely do trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have any great comments for us, we'd love to hear it in the comments section below.